Hey, I'm Bobby. Today we're going to be talking about how to switch a scheduled technician or an assigned technician on a work order with another tech from the same tech company. So in the event where a technician who's scheduled calls and asks if another tech from that same company can be switched on the work order, technicians can't do that, but you as a client can do that. All you're going to do is simply open up the work order. On the right-hand side, there's a three-dot button just below the technician's profile picture. We'll select that, and then we'll select Switch Tech. What we're going to do is we're going to pop open that technician's company within the platform, and then we're going to show you all of the other technicians within that company that qualify for this particular job. And so likely the technician has asked you to switch it with a particular technician. In this case, we will switch it with Kyle Brown. So all you're going to do is select Assign Tech. There's going to be a confirmation window that pops up. We'll select Confirm. And now you can see Kyle is listed now as the scheduled technician on the work order. What's happened here also is Kyle and the former technician have received notifications from our platform that this particular work order is now assigned to Kyle. So let us know if you guys have any questions about switching technicians within the same tech company on a particular work order. Thank you.